All right, just a quick video. I recently went to my local Walmart and I picked up one of these. I had not seen it before, so I just decided to, buy it and test it out. And this is an OZARK Trail 5-piece mess kit. This was actually like $5-6, so for a stainless steel mess kit, that's actually really good. That's a really affordable price. The kit includes a fry pan, a plate, a 7-ounce cup, a lid, and a pot. So it's basically your typical Boy Scout mess kit. But yeah, let's have a close look at it. Packaging is really nice, really colorful. It's got some nice nature scenery. The back, you can see, someone's got some bacon, which that would be something I cook in this, some bacon and some eggs. Yeah, just a really nice packaging. There's the bottom. So yeah, let's open it up. And here we have the plate. It's a little bit on the thin side, but I mean, still holds its shape. It's gonna last you at least a little while. We have the 7-ounce cup, and it does have some markings. Not sure if you guys can see that. And yeah, it's really thin. You can actually see right through it. All right, so we have the lid for the pot. Let's check that out. So, pot's got a handle, which it does lock in, so it's not gonna, spill over. Yeah, it's a nice little pot. And we have the fry pan, which this is where you cook your bacon and all that good stuff. It does flex a little bit, which, it's a cheap product, so can't expect much from it. But yeah, it looks like it's well built. If you take care of it, I'm sure it's gonna last some time. But yeah, it's a nice handle. So, and you can use this as a lid once you're done, cooking. I'm sure this will get hot if you try to use it as a lid while you're cooking. So yeah, nice little mess kit. I mean, for $5-6, you really can't beat that. So if you're interested in this, check out Walmart. They should have them. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you soon.